If you are looking for a dog, you've come to the right place, the Cuyahoga County Animal Shelter. Give a dog a second chance at life, like Philomena, a 4-year-old Shih Tzu. Here's volunteer extraordinaire Anita with one of her favorites to tell you about.
This is Joey. Joey is a 4-year-old Shar-Pei Rottweiler, and he's in cage 9. And Joey has been with us since April. And when he came in, he had a wound here. You can't see it, but there was a wound here on both sides. And he had what was known as happy tail. And unfortunately, what that meant is that he was just wagging his tail. He's a really happy dog. Just wagging his tail so much that he ended up doing damage to his hips and had sores. So in order to remedy that situation, his tail had to be amputated. Joey is really a happy dog. Very soft, very loving, affectionate, walks well on a leash. I don't think I've ever heard this dog bark. Very calm. He doesn't care about other dogs being around him. There are other dogs right now, and he's just looking around. He doesn't seem to care. So if you are interested in having a dog, he's a larger dog, but like I said, he doesn't jump, he doesn't really bark. He's very calm and affectionate. Joey just may be the dog for you. Again, Joey is in cage number 9, and he's 4 years old, and he's waiting for you right now at the shelter to come and say hello and hopefully adopt him.
And then there's Martin, who just can't get enough affection.
Okay, this is Martin. Martin is a 1.5-year-old pit bull mix, and as you can see, he's a very loving, affectionate dog. Poor Martin has been with us since, I believe it was sometime in December. He came in, he had a broken leg, and so he was in a specialized area and really wasn't up for adoption. But now that he is, he really has a lot of lost time to make up for. He needs a lot of love. He needs somebody to take him for nice walks. He's really great on a leash. He loves chew toys, but unfortunately he tears them up. So he probably would be better with something like a Kong that you could put food into to keep him busy. I had him out the other day and his paws were all dirty, and I had to come in and wash his paws, and he was really good about letting me touch his paws and getting them all cleaned off. So I think that Martin would really make a good pet for somebody. I mean, look at him. Look at that face. Look at how loving he is. He needs a good home. So Martin is in cage 18, and he too is just waiting here at the shelter for someone to come and give him a good home.
Blossom, smile, some sunshine down my way. Lately I've been lonesome. Blossom, it's been much too long a day. Seems my dreams have frozen, melt my cares away. Send the sunshine down my way whenever you call my name. I know what you mean to say to me, girl, it's all the same. Blossom, there's an empty road behind. Sit you down beside me. Blossom, there's a sweet dream on my mind. There's a song inside me. Take these chains away. Now send the sunshine down my way whenever you call my name. I know what you mean to say to me, girl, it's all the same. Blossom, smile, some sun.